What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up around 7 a.m. How about you? How do you start your day? I start with a cup of coffee and a light breakfast. Then I get ready for work. What do you do after work? I usually relax by watching some TV or reading a book. Sometimes I go for a walk. Do you prefer working in the morning or the evening? I feel more productive. What about you? What are your plans for this evening? I'm meeting a friend for dinner. What about you? Do you want to grab a coffee tomorrow? That sounds great. What time? Are you free this weekend? Yes, I don't have any plans yet. What do you have in mind? Do you want to go to the movies on Saturday? Sure. What movie are you thinking about? How's work school going? It's going well, just a bit busy. We've got a big project coming up. How's it going for you? What do you do at work? I'm a project manager. I handle different projects and make sure everything is on track. What do you do? Do you like your job? Yes, I do. It can be challenging sometimes, but it's rewarding. How about you? Are you working on anything interesting? Yes, we're starting a new project that involves a lot of teamwork and creativity. It's pretty exciting. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy hiking and photography. I like to explore nature and capture beautiful moments. What about you? Have you picked up any new hobbies recently? Yes, I've started learning how to play the guitar. It's been fun but challenging. Do you watch any TV shows? Yes, I'm currently watching a crime drama. It's really gripping. Do you watch TV often? What kind of music do you like? I like a variety of genres, but I listen to a lot of indie and rock music. What do you listen to? Do you like traveling? Yes, I love exploring new places. I try to travel whenever I have time off. How about you? Where was the last place you visited? I recently visited the mountains for a hiking trip. It was beautiful and refreshing. What's your favorite city or country you've been to? I really enjoyed visiting Japan. The culture, food, and scenery were amazing. Do you have a favorite place? Do you have any travel plans coming up? I'm planning to visit Europe next summer. I'm really looking forward to it.